Hello students, today we are going to see matrices chapter and very important method, that is inverse of a matrix by adjoint method. Let A is equal to Aij be a non-singular square matrix, that is determinant of A not equal to 0, then A inverse exists and is given by A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Here note that A determinant of A not equal to 0, that is A is non-singular square matrix. Now example, find the inverse of the following matrix. A is given by 1 2 3 minus 1 1 2 1 2 4 by using the adjoint method. So first we have to calculate the determinant of A. Determinant of A equal to determinant of this matrix given by determinant 1 2 3 minus 1 1 2 1 2 4 is equal to 1 into 4 4 2 into 2 4 minus 2 in bracket minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus 2 into 1 2 plus 3 in a bracket minus 1 into 2 minus 2 1 into 1 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 into 0 minus 2 into minus 6 plus 3 into minus 3 is equal to 0 minus 2 into minus 6 plus 12 plus 3 minus 9 is equal to 3 not equal to 0. Determinant of A not equal to 0, therefore A is non-singular matrix. A is non-singular, therefore inverse of A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Now we have to find the adjoint of matrix A. Therefore first we have to find the minors and cofactors of this matrix, of the element of this matrix. To find minor and cofactor, consider minor of 1 m11 is equal to minor of first element in first row and first column. Striking of first row and first column, we get determinant 1 2 2 4 is equal to 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Since cofactor are given by Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j mij. So if you have the addition of I and j even, then Aij is equal to Mij, and if the addition of I and j odd, then Aij is equal to minus Mij. Here m11 1 plus 1 2 even, so A11 equal to m11 equal to 0. Then m12 minor of 2, striking of first row second column minus 1 2 1 4 minus 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 6. A12 is equal to minus m12 is equal to minus 6 equal to 6. M13 minor of 3, deleting or striking of first row third column minus 1 1 1 2 minus 1 1 1 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 1 equal to minus 3. A13 is equal to minus 1 plus 2 1 plus 3 m13 is equal to m13 because 3 plus 1 equal to 4e1 minus 1 raised to 4 equal to plus 1. M13 is minus 3. M21, deleting second row, first column, 2, 3, 2, 4. Determinant of 2, 3, 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8, minus 3 into 2, 6, equal to 2. A21, 2 plus 1, 3 odd. Therefore, A21 is equal to minus M21 is equal to minus 2. We write value of A11, A12, A13, A21 here in matrix Aij equal to A11 0, 6, minus 3, A21 minus 2, so that we can rub this now M22 minor of 1 deleting second row second column 1 3 1 4 determinant 1 3 1 4 is equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. A22 equal to M22 is equal to 1. Write down 1 here. M23 is equal to deleting second row third column 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 minus 2 0 2 minus 2 0. A23 is equal to minus M23 is equal to 0. M31 minor of 1 deleting third row first column 2 3 1 2 we get determinant 2 3 1 2 2 into 2 4 minus 3 into 1 3 is equal to 1. A31 is equal to M31 is equal to 1. M32 minor of 2 deleting third row second column 1 3 minus 1 2 1 3 minus 1 2 2 plus 3 equal to 5. A32 is equal to minus M32 is equal to minus 5. Lastly, M33 is equal to third row, third column, striking of third row and third column, we get determinant 1 2 minus 1 1 1 2 minus 1 1 1 plus 2 equal to 3. A33 equal to M33 is equal to 3. We write all these values in Aij matrix, that is matrix of cofactor. We have written A22 1, then A23 0, A31 1, A32 minus 5, A33 3. This is the cofactor matrix. Now write down adjoint. Adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the cofactor matrix, that is Aij transpose. You can get transpose of this matrix by changing row into column. First row as first column 0 6 minus 3, 0 6 minus 3, minus 2 1 0, minus 2 1 0, 1 minus 5 3. This is the ideal of the given matrix A. So by the formula A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, we get A inverse of the matrix as A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A 3 into adjoint of A 0 minus 2 1 6 1 minus 5 minus 3 0 3. This is the method of finding inverse of a matrix by adjoint method. Note that here we have used formula Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j Mij. We have used the shortcut Aij equal to Mij if I plus j is even and Aij is equal to minus Mij if I plus j is odd. Okay, thank you.